This is my 2005 Yamaha Raptor 660R, and it's having some issues with the carb. I've read a lot of threads that say it's probably the parking brake switch, but this person that I got this from has already disconnected the parking brake switch. Now, I don't know if they jumpered it together somewhere. I'll have to pull off that. But what it does is when I turn it on, it doesn't matter if I choke it or don't choke it. It will not start. Let me try choking it. Okay, let me start it again. It won't even let me touch the throttle. Okay, so after reading a few threads, I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna pull the seat off. So when I bought this, the cover was missing for the airbox. So I don't think that would cause this issue. Everything else seems to be on there. There's a hose sticking off here, and I gotta figure out where that's going and where it's supposed to be. I'm guessing it goes to the top of this airbox. The CDI box is right here. So what I believe is that there's a green and white wire and a green and yellow wire, and I'm going to clip those. One of them goes to ground and one doesn't. So I'm going to just remove this CDI box, which I believe, let me see, not exactly sure how it's pinned down, but I'll figure that out. All right, so I've disconnected the battery. This part here mounts right there normally. Someone had it off already. I just bought this, so I don't know a whole lot about it. But we're gonna pull the battery out here. Oh, we get some extra screws. Okay, so it looks like the CDI box can come off the mount by these two screws here instead of touching those, and that should pull it off. Let me try that real quick. Okay, that one is CDI. That was it. So it was this wire right here was broken off here. I found out the entire connector for this CDI box was messed up. I added a ground right here, an extra ground right here on this green wire. This CDI box from frickin' Amazon is garbage. It wouldn't even start right, but this thing's running. This is the original CDI box. This little wire I just pushed in right here. It's actually a black wire that was all cut up. I know this looks terrible, I gotta charge the battery tonight, but it's running. And the other four-wheeler is running too. This thing starts right up. Watch this thing. Starts right up. It's ready to go. Not much power, but that one starts up too. So they're both ready to roll.